Today we are going to review the Wet n Wild Pac-Man collection. I got this in PR and I knew I had to review it. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so they collabed with Pac-Man, a limited edition makeup collection. What did it come with? Here is the first part. This is lip scrub, cheeks, eyes, lips. These might be shadows. I have to double check. What is this? Highlighter, blush, and then there's another layer, but so cute. Like, look how cute this is. Adorable. And the other layer has this brush and this brush, so it's eye brush and a face brush. I'll have to show you guys. Super cute. It's like floating glitter in there. Ooh, and we have nail polishes, which, guess what? My nails are naked, so we're gonna try the nail polishes. So it took me forever to get out, but I'm gonna use the yellows today. I'm wearing a yellow shirt because in honor of Pac-Man. I really wasn't a fan of Pac-Man, but it's just such a cute collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyes. I wanna do something bright. I love that they have a warmer tone in here in the palette. And we're just gonna get started. Let's bring out the brush that it came with. The eyeshadow brush is almost as much as the palette itself. It's synthetic, which is nice. Look how cute. So adorable. I'm just going to go ahead and get into this just because I don't want to spend too much time. There is some fallout, but that might be a good sign. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God, it's Wet n Wild too. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Can you hear my voice? I'm so excited. Look at that pigmentation, and it goes a long way. A little goes a long way, guys. So I would just little goes a long way. Super excited about this. Tap off your brush though, because like I said, it is kind of fallouty. But, oh, and I love this color. This color is a nice color, and it's not chalky at all. Super easy to blend. Obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with it. If I want to go with the oranges, I think I am. And then maybe I'll do yellow on the inner corner. Let me see. Maybe I'll do yellow on the inner corner and like blue underneath. Let's just use all these colors. I'm going to use this really, really crazy orange. Super fallouty, but look how neon that is. Let's see how neon it appears on. I guess it does. Yeah, I just gotta pack it on. I'm using their brush and it definitely helps with packing. Yeah, I really like that brush. The pigmentation, do you see this? It's not chalky, it's beautiful. It definitely is as good as like a Too Faced palette, Urban Decay palette. So I definitely think you guys should go out and get it right now because I feel like it's a good palette already, okay? That's a good palette already. Let's just dig in and do this. I'm really nervous because I don't ever really like color on my inner corner. But we're gonna do it for the sake of Pac-Man. Ooh, it kind of looks cute. These colors are super cute. I'm going to put liner on, I think. I'm not sure, though. I think I'm going to put liner on. Does it look like I have jaundice? Eye. This is so cute! Oh, I'm, like, really proud of myself. I feel like this is such a cute look. Okay. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and pack a little bit more on just because when I blended that, it kind of took it away because that was a real bristle brush. And I want to add some pigmentation. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that brightness. Okay, so now I'm debating on what I want to do. I'll swatch the colors that I don't use. So I use the big yellow on my inner corners and the matte orange on my lid, and then this like burnt color on my Where did I use that on? I used that on my crease. Wow, I can't think right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this color on my inner corner on top of the yellow, and we're gonna see if this like livens it up a little bit. Even though the yellow is pretty bright, I'm gonna go ahead and use some setting spray to get it like real frosty in the inner corner. This is gonna be nice. You know what I mean? Really nice. How cute! Obsessed. See that? This purple, super neon. So now that I have the underneath purple, I'm really happy with this. It's super cute and like colorful and fun. Definitely pretty Pac-Man. I'm gonna go and do a little bit of a wing and then some black liner. And I will be right back because I don't like doing that on camera. And then I'll swatch the rest of this palette with you guys. But that palette is definitely worth it for $10 for $9.99. Definitely worth it. I have liner, lashes, and brows done. My brows are large and in charge today because I did dye them, so they're large and in charge. You know what I'm saying? So let's swatch the rest of this palette. I'm gonna do the whole palette actually on my arm. 9 colors in here. And we're gonna start with, and there's like little imprints of Pac-Man. This is the pink one. You guys, this is like quality. Mattes are really, really hard. Here is the teal one. Super nice. This is just one swipe too. Usually you need to swipe twice on mattes. Now this is the orange one that's on my hand, or my eyes. Oh my God, like look at that, woo! Here's the purple one that's underneath my eyes. Here's the yellow one that's on my inner corners. Let me get a good swatch of that. Here's a blue one. Ooh, look at that. That one's really pretty too. And here is a iridescent orange one. Super pretty. Here is that burnt brown, the orange burnt brown, matte. And here is that iridescent that's on top of that yellow that I have. Just so pretty. It's like an iridescent glitter. Gorgeous. You guys, so pretty. There's that palette. This is the Pac-Man Game Over palette, $9.99. Totally worth it. I do like the brush for packing. It actually did a really good job with color payoff. I think synthetic brushes will do better with mattes because if you use a normal haired brush, goat hair, whatever it is, it will knock off the matte. That's with any mattes. So just kind of keep that in mind. For me, that's what I've noticed. Okay, so there it is. Now this brush is $8.99. Let's see if it's worth $8.99. I actually really do like that other brush. And we're gonna go ahead and just go in with some cheeks. There's a peach color. I like, this one's called 100. Ooh, look how pretty. That's a really pretty one. I have really a lot of texture on my cheeks, but this is really pretty. We're gonna go in with a deeper color. This is like a peach. Really, really pretty. I really like that. Let's swatch that one. I'm gonna swatch on my inner arm now. It's really pretty. Oh, my palette's broken. Oh well. Really pretty. This is the darker peach one. Wow. And then this is like a really shimmery, like reminds me of Milani's Luminoso. We're gonna try that on right now. How pretty is that? It's like very shimmery. So let's try that on a little bit. Oh gosh, okay, so now I look really shimmery, peachy and shimmery. So this is, I feel like this is worth it. If you guys do like blush, this is $9.99. So that's worth it, I think. So now these are these little things, power pellets. $6.99 these power pellets. Ooh, these are really cool. I'm gonna put this on as bronzer. Like, that was one swipe. So let's see how this looks as a bronzer on my skin. Oh my gosh. Actually looks really nice, but it's super, I would say shiny, or I don't know, highlightery. I really like it though. Super cute. Okay, and then it came with another power palette. And these are pink ones, which I'm not going to put on because I have way too much blush, but look how pretty those are. Those are $6.99. I think they're cute. If you guys are into the gimmicky like little powder things, you can see it's really, my face is really highlighted today because a lot of them have a lot of highlight in it, but I really do think that is a cute little thing. Okay, so let's go on to lip scrubs. One's a lip balm and one's a lip scrub. Let's do the lip scrub first. Just comes in a little cute little apple. And yeah, let's just try this out. It is, I'm not sure what flavor this is. Oh, sour apple, my favorite. Okay, tastes really good. It's sour apple. It feels like a regular lip scrub, like a sugar lip scrub. Love it. This is a lip balm. I'm sure this is like a cherry apple or cherry maybe. The lip balm, let's try this on. See what it looks like inside. I think my daughter will really like this. A small tint. Okay, I really like this lip balm. It's moisturizing. It's really good. That is a good one. It came with 4 lip glosses. These are $5.99. And I'm gonna try them on. I'll swatch these, but I'm gonna try one on. This one is called Pinky. Oh, it's pretty. I love Wet n Wild's lip glosses. As you can see, there's really good coverage there. I'll try them on because this is a really gnarly one. This one is called Clyde, I think. I like this one. This is a pretty one. Not as pigmented as Pinky though. Then this one is called Blinky. Ooh, I love this one. Okay. Reminds me what I wore on my wedding day. This next one is called Inky. Oh my god. This one's called Inky. Blue. I knew it was going to be kind of spotty. The lip glosses I would say skip out on. They are $5.99. I don't think they're worth it. You could go and get something else for $5.99. I just don't like these lip glosses. I just don't like them. The last of this collection is nail polishes. And what does this say? Nail kit, $9.99. In the past, I've really liked, let me get this out. In the past, I've really liked Wet n Wild nail polishes. So let's see how this goes. So we're gonna try the yellow first. And it's really hard for me to paint, so I'll just show you what I'm not the best nail painter either, but it's cute. So there it is. There is the collection. I think that this is a really cute collection. All of the powders and the eyeshadow palette, the blush palette, and the highlighters, super cute, super pigmented, and totally worth the buy, depending on what you guys like. To me, I wouldn't buy these just because they're really shimmery and I don't know, it's kind of cute. Also, I do like the blush palette, but I'm not into blush that much. So I only need like a couple blushes and I'll be happy. I don't gravitate towards blush palettes, but this is a good one. It's just really shimmery. You guys, if you want a really colorful palette, I think that this is the one for you. It's only $10 and you guys see how pigmented all of those shadows are, and it's really hard to get a very pigmented matte that's colored like this. So I'm letting you guys know I love that palette. And then these cute little lip scrub and lip balm, really cute. I think my daughter's gonna like the lip balm a lot. And yeah, so there's that. The nail polishes I would skip out on. They're just really, really runny, and I don't know, I just don't like them. They do have better formulas with other collections that Wet n Wild has. And I did not like the glosses either. So just being honest with you guys, the glosses weren't my favorite. This one was my most favorite that I'm wearing, and it's okay. This one's called Blinky. The brushes are super cool. I just think that these brushes are so cute. I mean, so cute, super soft. I believe that they are all synthetic. And yeah, of course, it's Wet n Wild. It's the most affordable brand out there besides e.l.f. And I think they're really stepping up their game with their packaging and their collections and all of that. If you guys want me to do another review on any other like collection or anything, let me know and I can definitely do that for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to do a demo on everything and show you guys really what it's about and my honest opinion. There is the end of the demo. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys later. Look at my nails. I actually think this is kind of cute though. All right, I'm leaving. Goodbye.